Yes.
My lord, in second, we have filed the second reason order. My lords. Earlier we have filed the first focus. By virtue of that, they have said that that is not the reason order. Prior to that, we have filed the second focus, where the detailed reason order has been passed, my lord. Dated 4/4/2025, my lords.
So अब क्या है? आप इसको चैलेंज करिए, हमने क्या बोला?
This has not been complied. This
It has
my
been.
lord, the same order, my lord, as they have passed in the first order, which they have annexed with their first so-called reply to notice, my lord. And this is the second attempt, my lord. But both the order is not at all compliance of the order, my lord. The second order, my lord, clearly shows that it's a deliberate contempt of the order passed by this honorable court. My lord, kindly permit me to place the order passed by my lord, whether they have complied the order only, what by the direction, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Still, that is.
Annexure 1, my lord, page 50, my lord, it's my lord, order, my lord. My lord, the direction is contained in paragraph 7. My lord.
Just a moment. So this is direction.
So, the point, my lord, may I read the order of the relevant paragraph?
Yes, I am placing that. Paragraph 7. Relevant para operative person. However, this writ petition is disposed of, page 70, madam. However, this writ petition is disposed of enabling the petitioner to file a fresh representation raising their grievances before the respondent number 2, along with the copy of this order and copy of the writ record. Upon filing of such representation, the respondent number 2 is directed to do the needful in terms of the provision of the aforesaid Act of 1860 and the rules framed thereunder, and consider the grievances of the petitioner in accordance with law and pass appropriate legal order within a period of 3 months from the date of filing of the representation, after granting an opportunity of hearing to the concerned region persons, including the petitioners or their authorized representative, the region order be communicated to the concerned persons through email as well as through the speed post at the address provided by them in their respective submissions. So, my lord, I was directed to file the representation, my lord, that I have done, that is annexed to, my lord, in the order itself, my lord. I have made, my lord, that representation 128/9/2023 along with the order passed by this. Now, my lord, what they have done, my lord, the first stance, my lord, kindly see they are so-called, my lord, the annexed 8. The first order dated 24/9/2024, my lord, simply sitter, my lord, they have taken that at the first 8 verbatim, they have passed the second so-called reply, second written order as well, man. The only difference कि ये एक पेज का ऑर्डर है, उसी को बढ़ा करके 3-4 पेज में वो किए हैं. So that is annexed A, my lord, in the first so-called, my lord. हम खाली ऑपरेटिव पोर्शन पढ़ देते हैं, my lord, के लिए. यह सेकंड पैराग्राफ. अभिलेख के अवलोकन से यह पाया गया कि उपरोक्त उपक्रमों में निबंधित संस्था निबंधन संख्या सचिन सच के द्वारा झारखंड राज्य के गठन के पश्चात नए सिरे से झारखंड राज्य में निबंधन कराया गया, जिसका निबंधन संख्या 189/2012 है. उक्त संस्था का नोटिस निर्गत कर पक्ष प्राप्त किया गया. सुनवाई के क्रम में नया तथ्य हस्ताक्षर के संज्ञान में पाया है. संस्था निबंधन क्रमांक 189/2013 के निबंधन एवं अन्य मामलों से संबंधित विवाद का मामला झारखंड उच्च न्यायालय में एलपीए नंबर 218/2015 विचाराधीन है. चूंकि संस्था का निबंधन एवं आपसी विवाद उच्च न्यायालय में विचार है. माइलोकाली मार्क दिस सेंटेंस, माइलो, चूंकि संस्था का निबंधन एवं आपसी विवाद उच्च न्यायालय में विचाराधीन है एवं आवेदक द्वारा इस आवेदन के माध्यम से संस्था का आपसी विवाद एवं निबंधन प्रबंधन से संबंधित विवाद उठाया गया. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट, माइलो. अतः वर्णित परिस्थिति में संस्था निबंधन क्रमांक 189/2013 के में उच्च न्यायालय में लंबित विवाद के बिंदु पर निबंधन महानिरीक्षक स्तर से आदेश पारित करना उचित प्रतीत नहीं होता है। इस आशय के साथ बाद की कार्रवाई से so my lord they have denied to pass any order my lord virtually only they have accepted the circumstances they have taken the projects that you want one LPA is pending my lord. Now my lord this last region order they have annexed my lord that is 21st of March 2025 my lord that is annexed A but they are second super is 17 my lord.
Details of our detail order.
Now my lord only operative portion my lord just to save the valuable time of this honorable court my lord. But 11 में hence the conclusion and understand recorded earlier by order dated 26/9/2024 is reiterated बोल रहे हैं कि उसी को हम रिट्रेट कर रहे हैं to effect that consequent to order dated 13/8/2015 in LPA number 2018 to the request to the applicant to conduct the election or inquire. But this is not the given. My lord, our given kindly see the what by the prayer my lord. Prayer my lord to inquire into the affairs, the illegality and corruption and misappropriation which was going on in the society my lord at the end of the office years my lord. This is not the dispute we have raised or this is the election dispute is not the domain of this honorable court my lord to that extent I will concede. But the illegality which was going on, the order is reproduced in the my contempt petition itself my lord. What exactly they have read my lord and that prayer has also been reproduced in the my lord order as well my lord. My lord, in paragraph 3 of my lord order my lord, page number 16 my lord, what was the direction my lord and what was the actual